Yes, I will come running to you at the drop of a monkey, but monkeys seldom drop. They hang by their limbs and swing all around, and very seldom just plop to the ground. Who told you monkeys never sleep? Who says the music must be deep? It's just simple bongos playing in the wind, echoing through your head again and again. I can be such an ape with words, survival skills of a social media jungle. A well-written metaphor is my beating chest, rhythmically spaced between cursed and blessed. Why don't we give your monkeys a little break from swinging from branch to branch of your fear? Let the spirit be a soothing balm. Rub on the shoulders of your monkeys to keep them calm. There's a hush, my darling, a stillness, my darling. The gorilla sleeps tonight. None of them have the power to rattle the sane. Neither chimpanzees laugh nor freakish games shall be disruption to your very focused brain. Who told you monkeys never sleep? Who says the music must be deep? It's just simple bongos playing in